Hi, I'm Eve Overland, celebrity personal trainer, and welcome to Strength Training for Your Arms. We're gonna do each exercise 30 seconds of work, and all you're gonna need is a light to medium set of dumbbells. So if you're ready, I'm ready to work those arms. Our first exercise is a narrow thruster to a wide shoulder press. So I'm bringing the dumbbells to my shoulders in 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna sit back on my heels for a squat, press up, and then a wide shoulder press. We're putting that little combo together. And of course, I gotta get a little extra credit with your legs. Pop up and press. And if that's not happening for you today, narrow press to wide press. You're working your plan. Nice. Keep going. Exhale up, drive it up. 8, 7, 6, beautiful. 5, 4, last one. 3, 2, and 1. Drop one dumbbell. We're gonna do shoulder to shoulder press. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, shoulder to shoulder. Exactly how it sounds. Beautiful work. You could do this with 2 dumbbells, but I find it easier to do it with 1. You got this. Keep pressing. 15 seconds. Beautiful work. A little less traditional exercise that you might have seen, but I want to show you different and exciting ways to work your arms. Beautiful. 5, 4, 3, 2, last 1, and 1. Shake it out. Moving on to our back work. We're gonna do a bent over row, again with a little flare. So shoulders down and back, you're gonna hinge at the waist. We're going to have our hands like so. You're gonna row them up and rotate them. So a little bit different than a traditional bent over row. We're gonna add a little corkscrew row, as they say. Shoulders down and back, and you're gonna row right to about your hip crease. Beautiful work. Row and squeeze your shoulder blades together. Your abs are in, your back is flat. Keep going, 5 more seconds. 4, 3, squeeze, 2, and 1. Hold at the top. Same thing with our tricep kickbacks. Adding a little rotation at the top. My fingernails come to the ceiling. Beautiful. So you're just gonna rotate them out of the side. Elbows stay up. Chest is nice and open. Beautiful. Squeeze and resist. This does not have to be fast. Working the back of our arms, our triceps. Beautiful. 5 more seconds. Here's our challenge. We're gonna pulse it up in 4, 3, 2. Fingernails towards the ceiling. Now pulse. Pulse. You will feel this in your triceps and your back, putting those 2 muscle groups together. Pulse higher than your hips. Yes, you can. For 8, 7, yes, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Awesome. Shake it out. Moving on to sumo squat with upright row. Shoulders down and back, wider stance. So you're gonna come down to a wide sumo squat and zip it right up your midline, elbows high. Putting those 2 exercises together, bottom to top. Yes, yes, yes. 20 seconds. Sumo squat with upright row. It's great compound movement. Excellent work. Shoulders and legs. Nice control. Go down to come up. Yes, use your leg drive to help bring those dumbbells straight up. Let's go 5 more seconds. Beautiful. 4, 3, 2, and time. Next exercise. We're gonna do an isometric bicep curl with one arm and a regular bicep curl with the other. You pick which side. My left arm is up, shoulders down and back. 30 seconds of bicep curls. With the right arm only. See that isometric hold? My elbow is by my rib cage, nice and controlled. We're gonna burn out both biceps at the same time. Squeeze and resist. Each rep counts. You got it. 8 seconds. 7, beautiful. 6, 5, squeeze. 4, get those guns. 3, 2, and 1. Passive stance. Here's a little finisher for you. Little uppercuts, keeping your shoulders and your biceps engaged. You will get a little core work as well. Keep going, 30 seconds strong. And if you ever need to drop those dumbbells, you do it. Uppercuts are great with or without dumbbells. 15 seconds. Beautiful, reach and go, shoulders. I'm pivoting on my feet and getting my hips into that punch as well. Keep going, 7, 6, yeah, 5, 4, 3, 2, and it burns. Relax. You have one more arm. My right arm is up, shoulders are back, elbow pinned in the side. 30 seconds. Bicep curl the other side. Yeah, squeeze and resist. Each rep counts. Nice solid foundation all the way up, all the way down. If you ever need to shake out that other arm, do so, but get right back in. Keep going, 10 seconds. Yes, we're almost there. 8, 7, 6, 5, squeeze, 4, 3, 2, 1, all the way up. Isometric hold, that little flutter for 10, 9, 8, 7, flutter, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. I wanted to give you a solid pump. Let's take it down to the floor for our chest work, our little finisher. We're doing a combo, chest press to chest fly. When you set it up, I want your shoulders to shrug down on the mat or on the floor. 90 degrees, here we go. Press it up, 3, 2, 1. Press it up for 30 seconds. Fingernails towards each other. Add that fly. So press up and fly it out. A little 2-for-1 action. Chest squeeze at the top, and then as they say, hug a tree, big wide motion. But make sure your shoulder blades are down your back, neutral spine. And if this fly is not working out for you because weight's too heavy, just keep on going with the chest press. We want everything nice and safe, everything nice and controlled. Beautiful. We have 5, 4, yes, 3, 2, squeeze, and 1. Drop one dumbbell. Here's a combo, a sit up with a tricep extension. My legs are extended, my arms are raised. I'm gonna alley-oop up, and at the top, I'm gonna do a little tricep extension. Roll down, putting those two together. Abs, triceps. Work that back head of your arm. Roll it up. Tricep squeeze. You could do 2 dumbbells as well, but I want each rep to be a full range of motion. You go wherever you need to go to get the most effective workout. You do want to challenge yourself, but it can't be too heavy. Keep going. 5 more seconds. We're gonna burn it out with push-ups, knees or toes. We'll go in 8, 7, 6, squeeze, elbows in tight. 5, 4, 3, 2, tricep extension, and time. Excellent.